In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sliced text effect in Canva. We're going to make this effect using Canva's built-in text and element tools, and the process is very simple once you know where everything is. If you want a clean, modern text style that looks like it's been cut or split, this is a great technique to learn. First, go to Canva and open the platform so you can start a new design. Once you're on the home page, click on Create. This will open your options for starting a fresh project. You can choose the design size that works best for what you're making, whether that's for social media, a presentation, or any custom layout. Starting with the right canvas size helps you position the effect more easily later on. Next, click on Text. This is where you'll find Canva's text tools and text styles. From here, add a text box to your design. Type in the word or phrase you want to turn into a sliced text effect. For best results, use a bold font so the cut effect is more visible. Thicker letters usually make this style stand out much better and give you more room to work with visually. After adding your text, go to Elements. In the Elements panel, use the search bar and search for curve. This is the key part of the effect because you'll use a curved element to create the sliced look across your text. Depending on what appears in the search results, look for a simple curved graphic that can act like a cutting shape. Clean and minimal elements usually work best for this style. Once you've found the curve element, drag the element into the text area and position it across the letters where you want the slice to appear. This is the part where you can be creative. You can place the curve through the center of the text for a balanced look, or shift it slightly higher or lower for a more dynamic design. Take a moment to adjust the size and placement so the effect looks intentional and polished. If needed, zoom in a little while positioning the element so you can line it up more accurately. Small adjustments can make a big difference in the final result. You can also experiment with different text sizes and curve styles to get the exact sliced effect you want. And that's it. Once everything is lined up properly, you'll have a stylish sliced text effect created directly in Canva.